This video we are bringing you the best of the customized dresses. Previous videos we have conveyed our message in Telugu. This video I am going to convey my message in English for all our viewers all across the globe. So in this video I am going to show you best of the customized dresses which we have made this week in organza fabric, and also a few designs in silk fabrics. So as you are going to see these patterns, organza fabrics with full flare and with along with the pattu border here. So these are going to be our latest collection in this week, along with this bell sleeves of concepts and with very good designing floral print patterns. And the other concept that we are going to show you is like crop tops like these with full ghera. You're going to see this flare with huge flare. It is going to be like 5 meters flare, and with some designer concepts of these. You can see these concepts with some this dory patterns available on sleeves, and designer different patterns. So these kinds of patterns we are going to show you at a very reasonable price at just 12.99, 13.99 and 9.99 also. So let's start with the 999 thing. This you're going to see these designs in 999 price range. This is good. This is the 999 price range of ours. You're going to see this huge flare in this design. As you're seeing it, we have given brocade sleeves to it, and also added this checkered fabric, and also added a huge big 5 meters flare to it. You can see this. And back is also same. We have M, L, XL and double XL sizes available in this. So it's a great design, friends. And in this we have another color. We have added another color with pink color of brocade fabric. So this is also a very good one. All sizes are available in this pattern also. Everything sleeves pattern and everything, M, L, XL and double XL at just 999. This was the starting range that we have made this week. And next is starting with the 13.99 thing. 13.99 we are giving you a couple of varieties with huge number of prints. You're going to see this. This is a huge 5 meter flare, as you are seeing it, with the kanchi pattu border on the daman. And the sleeves pattern, we have added first the fabric sleeves and then the contrast sleeves of this bell sleeves pattern. This is also an amazing pattern, friends. This is just at 13.99. So we have around 12 to 13 prints in this gown style model. And I'm going to show you again this black colored floral print fabric. You can see this. This is also a 5 meter flare, and with the same sleeves pattern, with the pattern of kanchi border pattu on sleeves as well, bell sleeves pattern, and 1399 black floral printed with checkered organza fabric. So next design also I'm going to show you, friends. This is also an amazing pattern, again amazing print, amazing color. See this is very happening color at just 1399 only, friends. All this I am going to show you just at this reasonable prices only. Our price policies are very reasonable, friends. So again, at this one is also at 1399. So next I'm going to show you a few of the crop tops as well. You can see these crop tops. These are also coming with the 5 meter ghera. You can see this 5 meter flare. This is a huge flare coming upwards. And then we have given it this one choli as a fabric, and this one you can see this fabric we have given a zipper on side to adjust it. And this is all stitched in XL size and with extra margin and everything. So this is going to be very easy and comfortable for you. L, XL and double XL sizes are an easy thing. So this one is also coming at 1399. This is stitched in the Cinderella pattern. So it's a very good design. 1399 only. Back is also like given very good one, and we have given zippers to the lehenga as well to add. And inside also we are giving interlocking to all the pieces. So you can see these designs, colors, everything. We are giving you very happening designs and very colorful prints, and everything is just awesome, friends. So just you can buy these all at just 1399, friends, only 1399 only. You can see the crop tops in the market. There's a lot of shortage of crop tops in these concepts, but we have huge number of pieces in this available. So you can just contact us on the given above numbers, and therefore we can give you all the required things at this price. So this one is also just at 1399, friends. You can see the flare again, organza fabrics at very reasonable prices and very happening colors. We have the n number of colors selection available, friends. So you can see this one also. This one is also a crop top with a new bell sleeves pattern, as you are seeing it. Here we are giving a kanchi pattu border, and then we have added the bell sleeves again, and then here we have contrast choli added to it, and then it's a gray colored floral printed all over lehenga, and to it we have added a very good kanchi pattu border again. And this one is also coming at 1399. You can see the back as well of the lehenga, and front of the choli as well of the back. So this is also at 1399 with big flare. So very good customized dresses in this season now. And now I'm going to show you a few of the gowns as well. You can see these gowns. These are also the latest collections again. In these gowns also with huge flare and the kanchi pattu border on the daman, and the kanchi pattu big kanchi pattu border on the sleeves as well. And colors are very bright and very happening colors. We are stocking this in the huge quantity. And now I'm going to show you a few of the 1299 range as well. See this one. This one is also stitched in XL size. This is a great design again. You can see this design. It is coming with the pattu banarsi border, and with the sleeves pattern is also very different. You can see this in this patterns we have limited stock available. In this pattern, see the sleeves are ruffle sleeves here, and we are giving a big kanchi pattu border on the daman, and all over it's given like Cinderella pattern stitched, and it is just 1299 friends, only 1299 rupees. So this one is also a great design, and again we have some few designs, different designs available in it. You can see these designs. This one is a sleeveless pattern. This one is also amazing pattern, and orange and blue combination, and this is already self printed on the top, and then the border is given on the daman, a huge blue colored border, big border of kanchi pattu border. Front is also same and the back is also same. This one is also 1299. If anyone wishes to buy with us in wholesale quantity, anyone wants to buy in wholesale quantity, then they can contact us on the above numbers. We can also give them at a very reasonable price again, for them to sell there at their shop, at their boutiques, or at someone is doing their businesses at home. Then definitely you can contact us. There are lots of designs again available in this. As you can see, this is also another design of the sleeveless pattern. I'm going to show you this one also. This is a checkered fabric all over, and then it is coming for 1299 retail price along with free shipping. The shipping is also free for us, for our viewers. We have given the new year offer this time, that 1299 rupees is free shipping without any cost, without any extra charges. This all over the India. You can buy this 1299 all over India. So next few designs I'm going to show you, friends. Again, this is like a crop top. This is a crop top. You can see this. This is a choli given. I've shown you the red color in this, maroon type of a color in this, and since I'm going to show you another color in this, this is also a green color. I guess this might be sold out very soon, but still I'm going to show you in this part of a video. If you wish to buy more designs, you can definitely contact us. We can show you more designs as well. So this is also another good design, friends. This is coming at 1399 only, 1399 rupees with a very good pattern. So definitely you contact us. L, XL, XXL sizes, you're going to easily get them. And next concept is also a crop top. Crop top with organza fabric. You can see this full gear, full flare at just 1399. So this is also a brilliant pattern, friends. Definitely worth to buy, and you can get amazing designs from us. You can get if you have any ideas of any other customized dresses, then you can also forward us to them, and we will be able to guide you through them, and we will also able to supply it to you then. So next design also is white colored crop top, again in this organza fabric, and this is we are giving the kanchi pattu border on the sleeves and kanchi pattu border on the lehenga's daman, and there is this contrast choli along with the border. So this is also a very good design, friends, worth to buy at just 1399 only. This is retail price, and if you wish to buy for wholesale, for your stores or for your boutiques or for your selling at home, then you can definitely contact us. Resellers are also most welcome for this video. You can just contact us on the above numbers, and we will guide you through the rest of the process. So as far as so far now I have showed you my customized dresses collection, friends, and now I am going to show you some of the designs that we get from trades, and we get from so many other suppliers. We get from this one is like a crop top. As you're going to see, this is a gray colored, and we also have a red color in this. This is a very hot cake selling design at our shop. And this is also like a three flayed, as you can see, this is all embroidered, and then three flayed. This is one, this is two, this is three, and then there is another cancun net inside it. So this is also a very good crop top design. This price is just 1299 retail price. If you wish to buy wholesale, then you definitely contact us with this wholesale prices also. We'll get back to you. This is, as you can see, this is a glitter fabric design. L and XXL sizes are available in this, and this is a botneck design coming with a handwork on it, and then there's a good flare in it. And this fabric is also a very very running and huge demanded fabric as of current situation. So you can just also call us for this. This price is 1499 retail, and if you wish to buy wholesale, definitely you can contact us. We have n number of designs again in this. These are just samples of hangers that we have. As you can see, these are just crop tops. These are just only crop tops collection only separately, and these designs we are giving you in dresses and gowns along with dupatta work, some are with few gowns, etc. These are just a sample of collections, and still we have a number of collections available. As you can see, this is a gown. This one is a front and back worked gown at just 1399. This one is also a great design with two colors available in it, so you can contact us definitely. Like, we have a number of designs, I told you. See, this is a gown again, very great design. It's a great design. It's a huge demanded fabric again, and it's a very fast running design. You can see this is double shaded, and there is a good neckline given on the top of the neck, and there is some kind of a ribbon work and all handwork over it. So this is a very brilliant design along with cancun net inside it, and this price is 1699, friends, 1699 only. And then I'm going to show you another reasonable range to price fabric in this design. As you can see, this is a very brilliant design again with a beautiful big flower on it, and it's a very Barbie kind of a concept design, and price is just 999 only, friends, 999. If you are a wholesaler, then you can contact us. Definitely we'll give you at another price better than this, maybe. Yeah. And so next design I'm going to show you is a silk fabric dupatta work design dress. This is also a very brilliant design. You can see the big flare in it, just at 795 rupees. This is wholesale price, friends. 795 will be the wholesale price for this design with the dupatta work. As you can see, if you wish to buy retail, then you can get it at another price. I will give you the details of it on when you call us or WhatsApp text us. And next design, this is also a very brilliant design at a very reasonable price, retail price of 699 only. 699 rayon digital print fabric with handwork on it, and with bottom and dupatta also in this design. So very brilliant design at a very reasonable price. We have a number of designs as such, and then we are going to show you some kind of a dupatta work of a design. You can see this design. This is also a very brilliant design again. You're going to see this dupatta work in it. Dupatta is also a very fancy dupatta given in a net fabric and all over sequence and ari woven work in it, and we are going to see a neckline handwork on it and all over printed fabric. It's a brilliant fabric again. This has very good colors, so it is also a very brilliant design. It's just cost 1399, friends. And again, I'm going to show you one brilliant dress with dupatta work. This is very reasonable ranged price fabric. As you can see, the design is all over on chanderi fabric printed, and daman is also again given in the printed different manner, and then it says given chunni work. The chunni is also red colored and yellow colored borders, and this is also chunni work. So at a very reasonable price, friends, only at 699. This price range is 699 for dupatta work dress at retail price. So we have n number of collections as such. See this. This is another big design, another great design again with the bandhni chunni dupatta, and then again we're going to give you the all over setup like this. You can see this all over setup of it. It is some kind of a new design that has arrived, and with the bandhni dupatta, it is costing at 1499 only, friends. 1499 rupees only, friends. So let's see few of the crop tops again. We have some brilliant designs available in crop tops as well. I'm going to show you few of the brilliant designs that we are selling at huge demand. These are also like mostly not available with us, but this time we have restocked it in a huge quantity. As you can see, this yellow color, it's a special color, a yellow and pink combination along with mirror work, and there is an embroidery concept of it given on it, and it is very brilliant design with huge flare. You can see this one flare, second flare, and then again we are going to give you a cancun inside it to add to the fluffiness of the piece. And this will cost you 1399 if you are buying in retail, and if you have another stores, etc., then you should definitely contact us, friends. So let me give you another design in this. As far as this, you have seen the crop top. Then I'm going to show you few of the jacket patterns. This is separate jacket given, separate jacket is given. Then there is a choli inside it. Choli is all worked inside, and then you're getting a lehenga in it. So this is also a separate jacket pattern, and this one is going to cost you 1199, friends. Very brilliant piece. We have 3 different colors in it. L and XXL size is also available, but this stocks gets sold out very quickly. So if you wanted, you can just contact us with in 3 to 4 days of this release of this video, so that you can get this design, or else it might be sold out. And so next design I'm going to show you crop top. Yeah, maybe crop top again. So this is also a great design. Color combinations are very beautiful with us. We always work on color charts. This surely of the design, you can see the front and backward with boat neck, and then you can see this lehenga in it, and there is also a cancun net inside it. Front and back work of the lehenga is also given, and this is sequence work, and then the choli is matching. So this is a very great combination again, friends. Definitely worth to buy, and the price is 1299 only. 1299 rupees only. So next design I'm going to show you, friends, is a crop top again. Here's the crop top. You can see this design, a brilliant design again with a huge flare inside it, and on the daman we are giving you the ruffles on the lehenga, so this adds to the more of the beauty. And then we are giving you the pearls net fabric, and all over the fabric of the lehenga we are going to give you the stones work. And then the choli is also amazing. This is single colored design with green colored choli, and then you're going to see the pearls work and the handwork on the choli. So this is also a brilliant design. You can buy this at 1799, friends. Only 1799. So next design is also like a crop top. I'm going to show you this design is a jacket pattern. This design is a jacket pattern. This is the lehenga of it. You're seeing it, the lehenga, and then the back of the lehenga, and then you're seeing the choli, the blouse piece of it, and then the separate jacket is also given to it. So this one is amazing with the dory patterns to tie the jacket. So this is amazing piece at a very reasonable price, 1099, friends. All over look, if you want to see, you can see this like this, 1099 only, friends. It's a very amazing design at a very reasonable price, 1099. And then I'm going to show you another hit design in our store. See this one. This one is the glittered fabric lehenga, double shaded, huge flare in it. You can see the flare. This is a huge flare in it. This is double flare, and then you're going to see the jacket pattern crop top. Jacket is also a very long jacket. All over look, if you want to see, you can see this all over look as well. This is amazing piece at just 1399. 1399. The shipping is free all over India for retail only. Yeah. So, and next design, yeah, this one is also a new coming design at a very reasonable price and a very hit design. You're seeing this, the design is green colored greenish yellow color, and then the design is all printed inside. You can see the print inside it. I'm going to show you the print. Yeah, see this, this is the print inside it. And then we are giving the first flare, and the second flare is like a huge flare, and the pattern of the C cut flare. And then we are going to give you a choli on it and jacket on it. Choli has all worked on it, and this is a very brilliant design, friends. And the price coming is just 1199. So definitely you can contact us, and for so many designs that are available with us, we usually get our stock sold out in 3 to 4 working days. So if you want to contact us, if you want this designs availability, this stock might be sold out in 3 to 4 working days. So if you want, you can contact us with for the new designs available. We'll definitely get back to you on the above numbers. You can definitely contact us. We'll be very happy to serve you, friends. And more importantly, if you have any stores, boutiques, shops, or you are doing your business at home, if you are a stockist, definitely you contact us. We'll be able to give you the best of the prices, and you will be very happily able to earn around 30 to 40% of your profit share when you buy from us. So definitely contact us, friends. We'll be able to serve you more when if you are going to join our customers wholesale customers broadcast, or if anything like that, you definitely can contact us. We will be able to serve you more. Thank you, friends.